Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you 3 best completely free weather apps for Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So on the first list we have the Open Weather. So just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Open Weather. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So firstly download and install it, and after that just click on Open. On opening, you will see this kind of user interface. So below you will see more details regarding the respective humidity, ultraviolet index, pressure, wind, visibility, dew points. So you will get this much of information, and on the left side you can just search for the respective weather location, and on the right side you will see your settings option. So under the settings you can customize the units. So you can see here different units you can select depending upon your needs. And good thing about this weather application is that it supports home screen widgets, as you can see. So this is all about the Open Weather application. On the second list we have the Overmorrow Weather. So once again just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Overmorrow Weather. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now on opening you will see the various weather details about the respective locations. So below you can see here fields like humidity, precipitations, wind, and below you can see rain expected and different days weather reports. So you can see here tons of informations, even the air quality, and at the bottom you will see the weather provider also. You can select different weather provider here depending upon your needs. So it's a very minimalistic design weather applications, and on the above you can search for the various weather locations, and here you can see a settings option. Just click on it. So under the settings option you will get a various options here which you can check out by yourself. So this is all about the Overmorrow Weather app. So on the third list we have the Breezy Weather. Now just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as Breezy Weather. On the first list you will see its developer website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now here you will see your releases. Just click on it. Scroll down below again. Now click on this assets. Now just select any version. So I'm gonna select the first one, RM64 B8A. Click on download. Click on open. Now click on install. So once the installation is done, just click on open. You can select add current location or you can add a new location. So now you can see the various weather details this application provides. So you can see below. So it's a very beautiful looking weather application. So you can see various details regarding the weather information, air quality, pollen, sun and moon, details, dew point, pressure, visibility, cloud cover. So these are the information you're gonna get inside these applications. And on the above you can just search for your various weather locations, and on the right side you can click on these 3 dot icons. You can click on the settings. Under the settings you will get a various options like background updates, appearance, main screen, notifications, widgets and live wallpaper, locations, weather sources. So tons more options. And the good part of this application is that this weather application also supports widgets, and even you can get icon packs also by clicking on this icon pack, and you can download the respective icon packs one by one, whichever you like, and you can apply those icon packs on your home screen widgets. So in my opinion, these are the 3 best completely free weather apps for Android smartphones and tablets that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.